Well, hello everyone. I'm gonna do a new thing, and it's gonna be a Christmas gift. I'm gonna tear this down, clean it up, grease it and all that kind of stuff, and then I'm going to donate it to a church so they can give it to some low-income family. So maybe one of their kids or a kid will get a bicycle for Christmas. It's got some training wheels. It look like they're Bell training wheels. Probably got them at Walmart or something. Real cheap. Looks like the brake is on wrong. It should be down here. It's really, really dirty. Fender's got some surface rust on them. I don't know how good that is. Sprocket has some rust. Seat post in pretty good shape. Handlebar wheel stem thing is in good shape. Handlebars look a little rusty, but we're going to tear down into this and tear it down and clean it up. It's really dirty. I purchased that Goodwill for $20. So let's get to it and tear some of this down. What we got here. These are 16-inch tires. They have really good tread on them. They're amazing. Falling off. Toss it over there a bit. And my work area is still real dirty. I keep hopping on bicycles here lately. Okay. That's pretty good. I'll just leave that like that for now. I think that's like a 13. I think I got one over here somewhere. Maybe. Wow. I got that so tight it looked like it went through the. Too bad a shape. That's why I got it. It was in pretty good shape. Boy, that was to the max. No rust at all, except for a little bitty surface rust. I think these handlebars will clean up real nice. Not too familiar with this type of brand. I gotta figure out what that. Let's see what I'm gonna do here. The chain is in pretty good shape. It's not all super rusty, so maybe it'll be okay. rusty either. It's in pretty good shape. Went to Goodwill this morning, and I'm already hopping on it. It's just really dirty. I think it'll clean up pretty nice. Let's see what this sprocket looks like. It's got a little surface rust. I hope it's not too bad. Like old pedals. Well, you could take them apart. Well, okay. That's pretty weird. I'm not used to seeing that. There's the tag I bought. Forgot it had a coaster brake. Uh-oh. See what we can do. Did I get the wrong size? Sure did. Use that one. Okay. Wow, 2 sevens. Okay. 7, so where is my 8? Here it is. I think it's my 8. Yep. So tight I couldn't get it off. Okay. Let's put it on there. Wow, it's all bent up. Like that, I thought. Wow, it can't go that way. Well, maybe it can. I'm not sure. Whatever. Take that out. Tires are still holding there. So. Good. It's all listed inside here. I might leave the fenders off. tighten it and loosen it and tighten and loosen it and tighten and loosen it for it to actually come off. Wow. Trying to get the kickstand off. Just kind of hurrying through it. Kickstand's in pretty good condition too. Get up in here. Get up in here. This is the same way. There we go. Wow. Okay. Nut on the other side. Screws into the bracket on the bicycle frame. That's good. Take those off too. Okay. 13. Yep. Maybe I'll stop there for now. So I think it might be all right. Rim's got a little bit of rust on them. Hopefully it'll come loose. Well, just kind of looking to see what y'all are seeing. But yeah, I'm going to stop right there, and I'll see you in the next video on this Christmas gift bicycle. Bye-bye. Y'all have a great day.